Hello everyone, welcome to the aptitude and reasoning series. So in this video, we are quickly going to see the problems on ages which are very popularly and frequently asked during all the competitive exams. So let's get started with part 1 of it without any delay. Yes, so in this video, we are going to see the two basic examples of ages. In next further parts, we are going to see some more complicated examples. So yeah, to begin with, we will solve these two examples. Let's read the question. First is Rajiv's age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. Okay, so find out his present age. Now observe carefully. During exam, in any question, you have to figure out if there are multiple people are given or just one person, right? So in this example, just one person is given, right? So that is going to be more easier one. Okay, so this will be very easy. So let's assume the present age of Rajiv as X. Good. Now let's see the statement which is given to us. Rajiv's age after 15 years. If his today's age is X, then after 15 years, his age is going to be what? Plus 15, right? Say today he is 5 years old. After 15 years, he is going to be 20 years old, right? So after 15 years, his age is going to be straightway plus 15, right? And they are saying that his age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. So before 5 years, what would be his age? Before 5 years, the way we found out after 15 years, same way we have to subtract those 5 from his present age. So that is going to be before 5 years. Say his today's age is 7 years. So before 5 years, his age was 2 years, right? That way. I know you might sound it very basic, but then this is for few aspirants who are very new to this chapter, to this topic. Okay, so we are actually starting with basics only. So yeah, now we will combine these two and we will see the statement, complete statement. Rajiv's age after 15 years, Rajiv's age after 15 years will be 5 times his age before 5 years. This is the statement. Age after 15 years, age after before 5 years and 5 times. Correct? Yeah. Straightway solve this. This is going to be 5x minus 25. Now take this x here, take this 25 here. So 15 plus 25 equals to 5x plus x. 5x minus x is 4x. Correct? Therefore 4x is equal to 40 and therefore x is equal to 10. Correct? So Rajiv's present age is 10. You can always cross check this. Okay? You can always cross check it very quickly, right? So Rajiv's age after 15 years. How much it is going to be after 15 years? 15 plus 10. So that is going to be 25, right? Will be 5 times. And what would be his age before 5 years? It is going to be 5, right? And would be 5 times they are saying. So 5 5s are 25. So yes, that is the cross check. Correct? So yes, we have got the right answer, you can say. Now let's quickly move to the second example. Okay, I am going to solve this example by using two methods, two ways. Correct? Let's see. The question is ages of two persons differ by 16 years. Now first thing, there are two persons in this question, right? If 6 years ago elder one be 3 times as old as younger one, then you have to find out their present ages. Now simply what we'll do, one person as x, one person as y, correct? So we'll do that way also and we'll do it by using just one variable also. So first let me show it by using two variables. So let's assume that the two persons are x and y. Okay? Now ages of two persons differ by 16 years, correct? So ages of two persons differ by 16 years means x minus y equals to 16. This tells you that x is elder, right? Because elder minus younger and then you see the difference. You getting my point? So for example, if x is 20 years old, then y is going to be 4 years old and then that is going to give you at 16. So basically x is always going to be greater than y if you do it like this. So indirectly you came to know that x is elder than y. Why I am telling you this? Because in the next statement you have to figure out who is elder and who is younger. Correct? So in this case x is elder, y is younger. So now if 6 years ago, so before reading further, you just have to straightway find out what are going to be their ages 6 years ago. So 6 years ago their ages would be x minus 6 and y minus 6. Correct? Now, read next, right? So 6 years ago, elder one be 3 times as old as younger one. Okay? 6 years ago, who is elder? This one is elder, right? So elder one is going to be means equal to 3 times as old as younger one. What's the youngest one's age before 6 years? Y minus 6. Correct? This was your first equation, and now let's solve the second equation. X minus 6 equals to 3y minus 18. So x minus 3y equals to, take this 6 minus 6 there, so it is going to be plus 6, minus 18 plus 6 is minus 12. This is going to be your equation number 2. Now let's solve these two equations simultaneously. Okay, so this is first equation. I am just taking down that first equation, this equation again here, and now let's solve these two equations simultaneously. So we'll just do this. These are basics, right? I am not going to explain you these things in the video. So minus, plus, and then minus. So x gets cancelled. This becomes your minus 2y equals to minus, what's that? 28. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So y is 14. You got the age of y. Y is 14. Okay. Now what's the age of x? Put it in any equation 1 or 2. Right. So let me put it in 1. 1 seems easier. That's why. So x minus y equals to 16. So x minus this 14 equals to 16. So x equals to, take this minus 14 here. So it is going to be 30. Okay, so their present ages. So because present ages are x and y, right? So present age of x is 30 and present age of y is 14. That's the answer. As I already told you, these are like, x is elder than y. Yes, x is elder than y. Difference between their ages is 16. Just cross check, 30 minus 14 is 16. Correct? And then you can also check it with the second equation, second statement which is given to you. Okay, so this is the one way of doing this. The second way will give you just one variable. Okay, in the second way you are going to take just one variable and you would be able to solve this again. Okay, so let's see. Ages of two persons differ by 16. Okay, now let's assume that younger is x. Okay, why I'm assuming this? Because then the elder is going to be x plus 16. You getting? Because plus is comparatively easier to solve. If you consider this as elder, then the younger one is going to be x minus 16. Okay, just to avoid that minus sign, I am assuming this way. You can assume it that way also. So younger is x, that gives me elder as x plus 16. First statement is solved. Now what they are saying next is if 6 years ago. Now first let's find out their ages before 6 years, right? Before 6 years. Before 6 years, younger is going to be x minus 6 and this is going to be x plus 16 minus 6, which gives me x plus 10. Correct? So before 6 years, these are their respective ages. Okay? These are their respective ages. So if 6 years ago, elder one be 3 times as old as younger one. So elder one is, so I will write it down here. Elder one is 3 times, okay? 3 times as old as younger one. Correct? And this is all before 6 years. So we are taking these two. Correct? Now x plus 10 equals to 3x minus 18. Correct? So now if you take this x here, so this will give me 2x, minus 18 will come here, this will give me 28, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So x gives me 14. So who is x? Younger one, right? Then what is the value of elder one? X plus 16. Simple. So if x is 14, then elder one is going to be 14 plus 16, which gives you 30. Okay. So again the same answer, 14 and 30. Correct? These are two ages of the two persons. You can do it in any ways, but I would like to suggest you that try to do it with one variable only. That saves your solving the quadratic equation, solving the equation simultaneously time. Right? That saves this time, and this is a bit easier. Okay, we will see few more examples for practice purpose. Also I am going to give you some examples, but then keep practicing this particular chapter because there are many questions asked from the ages. Yeah, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep in touch, keep watching. Bye bye.